Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the important systems and basis of accounting. According to American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, accounting has been defined as an art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. The important systems of accounting are single entry system and double entry system. The systems of recording transaction in the book of accounts are generally classified into two types. They are double entry system and single entry system. Double entry system is based on the principle of dual aspect, which states that every transaction has two effects, namely receiving a benefit and giving a benefit. Each transaction involves two or more accounts and is recorded at different places in the ledger. The basic principle followed is that every debit must have a corresponding credit. Thus, one account is debited and the other is credited. Single entry system is not a complete system of maintaining records of financial transactions. It does not record twofold effect of each and every transaction. Instead of maintaining all accounts, only personal accounts and cash accounts are maintained under this system. This is not a system but a lack of system as no uniformity is maintained in the recording of transaction. For some transactions, only one aspect is recorded. The accounts maintained under the system are incomplete and unsystematic and therefore not reliable. The system is, however, followed by small business firms as it is very simple and flexible. Double entry system is a complete system as both the aspects of a transaction are recorded in the books of accounts. The system is accurate and more reliable as the possibilities of frauds and misappropriations are minimized. The arithmetical inaccuracies in records can mostly be checked by preparing the trial balance. Trial balance is a statement which shows the closing balances of various ledger accounts. The objective of preparing trial balance is to know the arithmetical accuracy of business transactions. The system of double entry can be implemented by big as well as small organizations. Now we are going to learn about the important basis of recording transactions in book of accounting. From the point of view of the timing of recognition of revenue and cost, there can be two approaches to accounting. These are cash basis and accrual basis. First one is cash basis. Under the cash basis, entries in the book of accounts are made when the cash is received or paid and not when the receipt or payments becomes due. Now I am going to give one example. Office rent for the month of December 2014 is paid in the month of January. During the year 2015, it would be recorded in the book of accounts only in January 2015. Under cash basis, accounts are or entries are recorded in the various book of accounts when the cash is received or paid, not when the repayment becomes due. Another example, commission received for the month of November 2016. It is received during the year 2017 January. It would be recorded in the books of accounts only in January 2016. As per cash basis, Transactions are recorded in the book of accounts when it is received or paid, and not when the payment or receipt becomes due. Next method is accrual basis. Under accrual basis, revenues and costs are recognized in the period in which they occur rather when they are paid. For example, rent paid during the year 2014 December is paid in January 2015. It would be recorded in the book of account only in December 2014. Under accrual basis, the revenues and costs are recognized in the period in which they occur rather than when they are paid. A distinction is made between the receipt of cash and right to receive cash and payment of cash and legal obligation to pay cash. Under this system, the monetary effect of a transaction is taken into account in the period in which they are earned rather than in the period in which cash is actually received or paid by the enterprise. This is a more appropriate basis for the calculation of profits, as expenses are matched against revenue earned in relation thereto. Raw materials consumed are matched against the cost of goods sold. Cash basis and accrual basis are the important basis of recording transactions in the various book of accounts. Thank you.